How can you stop the blue animation border in the Apple Watch whenever you look at your watch to check the time? Let me talk about it. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the reason why this blue line appears is that it indicates the accessibility features. And there are actually more things which might be causing that, but when you go to the watch app on your iPhone and proceed to the accessibility section, you'll be able to browse through like random features here, but you can, for example, go to the assistive touch section, and if you have it enabled and if you use some different things, especially the hand gestures and stuff like that, then it might appear on the screen like that, meaning that it's indicating to you that an accessibility feature has been used. So you can like disable the assistive touch or the gestures and see if it's still happening. But the whole point is that it is showing you the accessibility thing, even though the blue color is like representing the accessibility feature. So that is something which is like indicated to you that way. You can also just go to the like activation gesture, which is part of the assistive touch and hand gestures, and you should be able to see if it's also showing the visual signal, and you can try turning that off. Perhaps it will stop that from showing as well if you specifically were using that feature before. So you kind of have to decide and see what exactly is going on with your device. But as I'm telling you, it is only showing because of the accessibility features being used. So let me know what you think about that below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.